Well, hello guys, welcome back, of course, and it's always going to be a special edition of Queen Bee TV. Okay, all right, Queen Bee, that's me. So thank you guys for tuning in. Right now we are at a car meet. Are you ready to see what's going on? Lineup over there. Got some other foreigns over here, and of course that wide body pretty thing at the end. Got a caddy down there. But yeah, we're just waiting, trying to see what's about to happen. In the meantime, in between time, I'm about to get back in the car because it's cold. Okay. Alright guys, if y'all can hear me, this meet is hosted by Katy Car Meets and also with Smoke Kingz. So, as y'all can see, I got Smoke Kingz behind me. We're gonna go check out what it looks like on the inside. Y'all ready? Let's go. Alright guys, so as y'all saw, we went inside, we saw what they have to offer. They have, you know, a little lounge area with live artists and all kinds of stuff. A bar, you can rent hookahs, all kinds of cool stuff. So yeah, it's still not a huge turnout, but I did want to come show my boy Katy Car Meets some love and let him know that we came to support. And we're about to go because we have some other things that we have planned this evening. Catch y'all later.